Hey, thank you for joining Uncle Mike for this edition of the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. Well, we've closed right at the 20 period EMA, 671.67, and we are above the T8, which is now flat, and we have the T3 that's turned and the T5 that has turned. So we have this little bottoming pattern. We still need to get above this 50 EMA, which is 76.70, and a lot of technicians will look at this and have the all clear sign to get in at this point if we hold above that. Our 200 period moving average is now down to 94.11. Who thought it'd get under 10,000? Well, it's there, folks. Let's take a look at a couple of what did we look at last night? Let's take something different. Okay, let's take a look at the trend analysis. We'll look at a few. The Arun indicator. The last signal was 81 periods ago, and it was a sell signal. The directional indicator was a sell 146 periods ago. For the MACD, the last signal was a sell, and that was 20 periods ago. And then our stop and reverse, the SAR, there was none generated today, but 2 days ago, remember, there was a buy with that signal. The overall outlook for the market is very bearish. We are currently below the 290, 30, 20-day moving average, but as you can see, we closed right at that 20. So a good sign would be to close above that and hold in the coming week. From the Trend chart checkup, our price bias is still downward. Short-term prices are stalling. Intermediate term, they are trending. The projected upper bound for tomorrow is 76.45. The lower bound is 66.29. Now let's take a look at our Rex Takasuji profile. The Dow was up 237 points. Volume was 30% above average, and Bollinger Bands are 24% wider than normal. For the technical outlook, the short term is neutral, intermediate term and long term are bearish. The volatility, if we take a look at the moving averages, the 10 period volatility is 57, 50 periods 42, and 200 period is 52. The Dow is currently 26.5% below its 200 period moving average and in a downtrend. And if you remember, just a couple days ago, we were above 30%. It was 30% higher, so we're narrowing the gap. The volatility is extremely high when compared to the average volatility over the last 10 periods. The trend forecasting oscillators are currently bearish and have had this outlook for the last 39 periods. And the momentum oscillators have set new 14 period highs. We've said that for the last few days. And the security price, the Dow, has not. So this is bullish divergence. Well, that's it for the outlook of the Dow. Uncle Mike will look forward to seeing you tomorrow evening. Review the Dow again. And actually, we'll take a look at a weekly or monthly type chart, and we'll dissect that for you. Till then, have a wonderful evening, and I will see you tomorrow.